Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and preparing wholesome and traditional meals with a vintage twist. And today, as you can see, I am going to be sharing a recipe for Brussels sprouts. I don't know if you've ever gone to the grocery store or the market and seen Brussels sprouts that come right off the stalk. Maybe you've been intimidated in the past and you didn't want to try it yourself and you just go and grab the Brussels sprouts that are already set to go. I mean, these will still need to be cleaned, but this is as fresh as a Brussels sprout is going to get that you're buying from the store. I mean, freshest you're ever going to get it is right out of the garden from the stalk, but all you have to do is twist them off. Twist. And then after this, I'm going to be washing them, and I'm going to be, I'm making a mess on the floor. I'm going to be washing them, and any spots, I'll get rid of them. But you just go around, and if you don't want to do this prep, you can make this recipe with just any, the Brussels sprouts that you get off the stem. But I think that it's really fun to get Brussels sprouts off of the stem. I think it's, especially if you have people over, it's a nice little show. So I'm just working my way up the stem, or up the stalk, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to do anything with this stalk. I don't usually save brassicas for soup stocks, as I am prone to do with most other vegetables. So I don't know, maybe if you do something with these stalks, let me know what you do with them, because I'd like to learn. I've tried making broccoli soup before with the stems, and I mean, it's okay. I don't know if you can do the same with broccoli. Brussels sprout stems. So the recipe that we're going to be making today is roasted Brussels sprouts, and we're going to be putting bacon in there and Parmesan cheese. It's a great dish for a side to serve alongside poultry, like a roast turkey or a roast chicken. I love Brussels sprouts, and I know not a lot of people like them, but serve them with bacon and some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of lemon, and it's delicious. It's not for everybody, but sometimes all somebody needs is the right experience with Brussels sprouts. If they're not cooked properly, if they're overcooked, they're especially bitter. And I know when I was a kid, I didn't like Brussels sprouts because I found them to be too bitter and unappetizing. Sorry, Mom. But I'm a big fan of Brussels sprouts now, and I'm having a lot of fun with this. So I'm going to get all of these off of the stalk, and then we're going to go into silent film mode, and I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a delicious side of Brussels sprouts. In the meantime, if you are new to my channel, welcome to the kitchen. I'm really excited that you're here. If you like what you see, I hope you will subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you feel inclined to do so. And if you're coming back to the kitchen, thank you so much for returning. I'm so grateful for you. thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to like this video and leave a comment if you are so inclined. I post 2 new videos a week, so I will be coming back real soon. Bye!